Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the big shellfish in Fish It Roblox. So this legendary fish is a true trophy for any master angler, and here I'm going to show you the exact location where it spawns and the exact bait and rod that I use. So for this one, I got the big mutation, and as for the location, you can get the fish in the coral reefs, and here is the exact location where I got the fish. You can just head inside to this like cave, and this is where I do the fishing. And as for the rod and bait setup, I'm using the ghost fin rods and also the Singularity bait. So that's how you can get the big shellfish in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.